So, this is our first time. How long ago did this shit come out?
Months ago.
Months ago? The first time we're eating Popeye's chicken?
The chicken sandwich.
The chicken sandwich, the new chicken sandwich. She got spicy. That's my wife, because she's spicy. I got regular, because I don't like spicy. So, we also got some biscuits and
chilled lemonade.
Chilled lemonade. Alright. So, some biscuits. Woo!
I think this one's yours.
Why?
This one looks not spicy.
They all look this. Nah, I think that one's spicy. I don't know. But anyways, don't eat it yet. It has to be at the same time.
I think that one's a spicy one.
Yeah, it's not spicy. Alright, let's get to it.
Watch you set your mouth on fire.
Yeah, no, I cannot eat spicy for shit. I try to eat spicy and I cannot. Alright, you ready? Ooh, this is gonna be fucking good. Ready?
1, 2.
This one's spicy. Get
I
the
knew
fuck
it.
out of here. It tastes pretty. Oh, it
It's
tastes
so
fucking.
good.
Sorry, it's spicy.
Yours is really good.
Oh my god. It's good, but for the hype that everybody's talking about,
It's so good.
it's like a regular chicken sandwich, like Chick-fil-A.
Oh
Tastes exactly like a Chick-fil-A sandwich. Oh yeah. That's spicy. I don't know if I can't handle the spicy food or what, but to me that's really spicy. Alright, this is the regular one though. So. No, it is good. Get your sandwich, bro.
Now you make me think that this is like a dangerous spicy. Look at that sauce color.
Oh yeah, no wonder. Show the camera. Show the camera. Show the camera the sauce color. Get closer. Get closer. Yeah.
Like those YouTubers.
Yeah, no, this is not those type of YouTube channels, but I wanted to do a Popeye's the Popeye challenge shit. So it's not bad. I like it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, right. I told you, spicy as hell, right? Oh, and this is her car. You know, the little flowers. Yeah, that her Yaris. But I might do a pull tonight. A pull on the SRT. Maybe like a 60 to 120 to see what what's up with it. So just so I can make some content. I haven't made content in a while. You know what I really like about it though? It's creamy though. So this one's like, it's creamy, it's juicy. That's what I like about
And
this.
the pickle?
I don't really like pickles. So much, but the pickle does give it a nice flavor.
It's like a honey butter pickle.
Yeah, it tastes like a honey butter biscuit.
Like the PDQ sandwich.
Yeah, it tastes just like the PDQ sandwich too. So ain't no hype. It's a good sandwich, but it tastes the same as PDQ. It tastes the same as Chick-fil-A. So don't wait 30 minutes.
My doctor in Tampa says she waited like 2 hours. Thanks, babe.
Don't wait 30 minutes online because
you were on camera.
you still have it. Sorry. Come here, come here,
Stop,
come here.
stop, stop, stop.
No, you still have it.
I don't have anything.
You do. You have some shit here. Yeah, I got it. Well. Eat your sandwich. But yeah, there you go. Stop waiting 30 minutes in line and go to PDQ's or Chick-fil-A.